Hello friends, the topic of today's lecture is key forces affecting organizational behavior. Key factors affecting organizational behavior or determinants of OB. There are complex set of forces that affect organizational behavior today. The working environment is base for all these forces or factors. These factors are also known as the determinants of organizational behavior. These key forces are classified into four areas: people, structure, technology, and environment. The various key factors affecting organizational behavior can be understood with the help of the following diagram. There are three main factors: people, technology, and structure, and they are affected by the environment. People. An organization consists of people with different traits, personality, skills, qualities, interests, backgrounds, beliefs, values, and intelligence. In order to maintain a healthy environment, all the employees should be treated equally and be judged according to their work and other aspects that affect the firm. For example, a company offers campus placement to trainees from different states. However, during and after training, all trainees are examined only on the basis of their performance in the task assigned. Organizational structure. Structure is the layout design of an organization. It is the construction and arrangement of relationships, strategies according to the organizational goal. For example, organizational structure defines the relation of manager with employees and co-workers. Technology. Technology can be defined as the implementation of scientific knowledge for practical uses. It also provides the resources required by the people that affect their work and task performance in the right direction. For example, introduction of SAP, big data, and other software in the market determines individual and organizational performance. Environment. All companies function within a given internal and external environment. Internal environment can be defined as the conditions, factors, and elements within an enterprise that influences the activities, choices made by the firm, and especially the behavior of the employees. While external environment can be defined as outside factors that affect the company's ability to operate. Some of them can be manipulated by the company's marketing, while others require the company to make adjustments. Examples of internal environment. It includes employees' morale, cultural changes, financial changes, or issues. Examples of external environment. It includes political factors, changes to economy, and the changes to the company itself.